Hello, welcome back to the Untitled Libraries video series on learning Windows. This video is going to show you how to personalize your Windows 10 desktop. What you're looking at on the screen right now is a Windows 10 desktop. It has the icons on the left, has your taskbar at the bottom, and it has a picture background, which is the default Windows background when it comes to you brand new. What we want to do is we want to change this to something else. So we right click on the background. That brings up a menu called Context Menu. We'll go down to the bottom where it says Personalize. Click on that. It's going to bring up what's called a dialog box. That dialog box is going to give you some choices. Let's take a look at what we got here. At the left side, we have a navigation menu. We're currently in the background. See the background up here. It shows you a background on top, so you can see what it currently is set at. If we want to choose this is a picture. If we want to choose another picture, we come down here where it says choose your picture. And we can click on any one of the pictures that you can see there. And when you click it, you can see that the background behind you on the desktop, as well as the sample above, changes to show you what it's going to look like. If you don't like any of the pictures there, you can go to Browse, and it will bring up a dialog box for the Windows File Explorer. And you can go in where you might have pictures anywhere in here. Most likely you'll be in pictures, which is already set as default. In this case, we don't have any pictures, so I'm going to cancel this and show you that you can go from a picture. You can also choose a solid color. Now, the solid color comes up with a list of colors underneath it. Again, you can see the sample up here. Matches the current background of the computer. If you change that color by choosing one of these other colors in your grid down here, let's say black, you can see where it changes in the sample and it changes in the actual background, so you can see what it's going to look like. Perhaps you prefer a color, brighter color. So go back to the pictures, and you can also set a slideshow. When you choose slideshow as your option, what will happen is it will take the pictures that it has on the computer. It'll start with the standard ones that it comes with. You can also choose by browsing back to pictures or wherever you may have other pictures stored on your computers in a file folder. And what will happen is that it will change that picture background according to the time you set here. Now, where it says change picture every 30 minutes, you can change that to as little as 1 minute or as high as 1 day. If I set it to 1 minute, then this background will change to the next picture in the folder every minute. Set it to 1 day, it'll change every 24 hours. So you can choose what you want in between there. What that means is that this picture in the background that we see, in 30 minutes, it'll change to the next picture in the file folder. If you would like, you can leave these settings as is, and it will just keep running through the pictures in order. If you set the shuffle to on, it will change the picture randomly rather than go to the next picture. It may go to the third picture or the last picture or back to the first picture. If you're running a laptop, you might want to not have this slideshow run. So that's the way it's currently set, because when you're running a slideshow, it takes up more battery. Now, when you do have a picture set, whether it's slideshow or individual pictures, it's going to ask you how you would like it to fit to the screen. Fill means it's going to fill all the way to the corners, top and bottom. If you do a stretch, it'll make that picture fit the screen. If it's not the same size as the screen, tile it and the picture is small, it will put a whole bunch of the same picture across screen. You center it. It does what it says. It takes the picture and centers it on the screen. But as you can see, this picture is bigger than the screen itself. So the center will lose edges of the picture. The tile, since it's so big, will definitely lose edges of the picture. Span means it fits from left to right. If there's more picture top or bottom, you'll lose it, which is if you want to see your whole picture, then fill is the one that you want. It gets that whole picture and fills the screen with it. Hope this helps you enjoy working with your computer more. Thanks for listening.